In this video, I will show you an indicator with a 100% success rate that supposedly allows anyone to make big money. That's exactly what you hear every day from trading gurus who promise easy profits by trading solely with indicators. But let's be honest, if it were that simple, everyone would already be a millionaire today. I'm going to show you how indicators are actually used and how they can help you if you approach them wisely. I'm Thomas, a trader since 2016, and I'm sharing my real experience with you. So let's go. Now, some of you might be thinking, but you've made videos using these indicators yourself. What's the point? The key in how indicators are used, yes, they're helpful for beginners because they can highlight potential entry points, but relying on them is a huge mistake. So the foundation of successful trading has always been and is still technical analysis. That's the tool that gives you a full understanding of the market and allows you to make the right decisions in any situation. So there are traders will cluster their charts with so many indicators that you can barely see the price itself. But they think they have become trading masters. But trust me, nothing replaces proper technical analysis. The basics, support and resistance levels, along with the trends. These are fundamental knowledge that every trader must have. Let's look at an example. Take the AUD/USD currency pair, for example. We see a strong upward trend, right? We can see a very strong upward trend right here. There's a golden rule: never trade against the trend, especially if you are a beginner. Sure, you can try catching reversals, but it's so difficult that the chances of success drastically decrease. I strongly advise avoiding such trades. See an uptrend, walk away. Now let's open double stochastic. As I showed you in the first video, let's quickly set up the vertical lines making entry points. We see a crossover at the bottom, a buy signal, but what happens? The price goes the other way. This is exactly why you can't rely solely on indicators. They must be paired with technical analysis. For instance, such strategies work best in a sideways market. Now let's look at the GBP/USD pair. Here we see a clear flat support and resistance level, right? Several times the price has bounced off the lowest support and similarly of the resistance. What does this mean? Right now, major volumes are forming levels that are holding the price. Imagine it's like a wall. Buyers are trying to break through it, but there are too many sellers and the price pulls back. However, if you notice the price consolidating near a level, you can often expect a breakout. Just like you see here where the price shot up. And you can understand all this without indicators, just by studying the market. Okay, I have a training course where I go into details about support and resistance levels, trends and patterns. And if it's completely free for everyone, it is completely free for everyone who joins the team, of course. You will not only get access to education, but also be able to automatically copy my trades, earning passively. So just look at our stats. They speak for themselves, guys. And of course, let's not forget the feedback. I have the best team. That's all I can say. So check out how many people are earning with me, guys. If you want to grow together, send me a message and I will explain everything. So join the team, feel free. It is free and don't miss out on your chance. Let's move on to the protocol part. Right now, I'm going to show you a live example of how my AI bot works, which sends signals around the clock. We'll break down a trade together with technical analysis. So let's take the AUD/JPY currency pair, copy it and paste it and open it. So what's immediately noticeable? There is no strong trend, neither up nor down, guys. So this is already an advantage. We see a strong support level right here, which I will mark now. It's better, one second, it's better to highlight a broader support zone to understand the bigger picture. As you can see, the price has touched this level several times and bounced upward, meaning the level is strong and we can rely on it. Now let's mark the resistance level. So do you see how clearly the channel is defined? The price moved within this range several times before breaking out and forming a downtrend. Now we are back in this channel, and I have a feeling the price will bounce off the level, and I have a feeling that the price will bounce off the level and move up toward resistance, then back down again. So based on technical analysis, the situation looks promising. Now let's prepare for a trade at 22.30. Okay, a 5-minute trade, placing it downwards, guys, placing it downwards. When the time hits 22.30, which is basically 10:30, you can check the time in the upper left corner right there. You can check it right there in the upper left corner. As soon as it is 10:30, we'll place the trade together. Let's execute the trade now. Now, let's discuss price movement. Let's take our channel. The first obstacle for the price is already visible. It's approaching the first resistance level. Let's mark the upper resistance level as well. There are two possible scenarios here. The price could bounce off the level and move down, or it could break through this level, hit the next one, and also move down. While we've been talking, the price has already been bounced off the first level and started to go down, just as I expected, of course. So now an example of when not to trade, even if my bot gives a signal. Do you understand? So do you see a strong downtrend? That's a question. Do you see a strong downtrend right here? If the bot signals a buy, don't enter. That's a big mistake, as trades against the trend can carry high risk. Right now, the price is following the first scenario. However, if a breakout had occurred and the trade didn't succeed, then following the martingale strategy, the next trade will be placed at 22.35, which is about 10:35, again for 5 minutes. But the trade amount doubled. This helps compensate for the loss and brings back into profits. For example, if you started with $200, the next trade would be $400. If that trade also fails, then at 22.40, which is 10:40, you could double, or you double the amount again to 800. So in my team, I always say, start with 1%. Start with 1% of your deposit, because martingale is a risky strategy, yeah? But if you used it correctly, it can yield excellent results. We have many examples in the VIP club, like William, who trades his bot and with his bot and consistently profits. It's important to understand. Blindly following signals is a road to failure. So if you use your brain, analyze and combine signals with technical analysis, you can avoid mistakes and grow your capital. Here is a great example of a profitable trade, and thanks to my AI bot. Let's review the chart now and try to predict where the price will go. We see the price here. We see the price approaching the support level again, which I will mark, and nearby the resistance level. The frequent touches of support level raise suspicion, guys. So a breakout and a strong downtrend or downward move are likely to happen soon. And while I've been explaining, the price broke through, guys. So the break broke through the level and started moving down, just as I predicted. You understand, guys? As you can see, even without using indicators, just by relying on technical analysis, You can easily analyze the market and predict price movement with high accuracy. Some days, the market just doesn't cooperate. You know that yourselves. And that's where experience comes into play. So if you want to test my AI bots right now, you want to test my AI bots trading signals, join my free channel. Every day, 3 signals are posted at specific times so you can see the quality for yourself. If you like what you see, send me a direct message with the word VIP, and I will add you to my team, where you will get up to 30 signals per day completely free. Remember, AI bot signals are only recommendations, guys. The decision to enter a trade is yours. I look forward to having you in my best team, of course, where we aim together and always support one another all the time, guys. So if you enjoy this live format, where we analyze the market together, be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.